So, welcome to our channel, Creative Videos. So, in the world, the maximum business is done with the help of Facebook ads. If you observe the sales percentage, so out of 100%, 78% of the people click on the advertisement, 28% of the people completed their sales. So, the sales percentage is huge. If you are running any restaurant or affiliation or your own coaching centers, anything can be advertised with the help of Facebook ads. The maximum profitable online business works with the help of Facebook ads. Please subscribe our channel. We will give you complete information on Facebook ads at free of cost. Anything you can run on with the help of Facebook ads. Please subscribe our channel. Please subscribe to our channel Creative Videos. So now look at the how do you run profitable online business. We will see. So today we'll see how do we get profit from online profitable online business. So this is done. I told you Facebook ads. Please subscribe our channel. So first thing is you should keep in mind the targeted buyers traffic. So this is done in our coaching, in our training. We will give you how do you identify targeted buyers traffic. So there should be no brainer traffic. Seamless sales unless Facebook ads accompanied with funnels. Ascending the buyers to sales funnel. Ascending the buyers to checkout. Increasing the lifetime customer value. Increasing the average order value per sale. So there should be consistent flow of targeted traffic. So friends, so here we'll give you training on the Facebook ads. So please subscribe our channel. We'll have more videos on digital marketing, on subjects. So this is very useful topic to grow. In a short time you can become a millionaire and billionaire. Thank you for watching.